Hello everyone, John and Jane here with a quick tutorial on using your digital rewards with Microsoft Teams. In this tutorial, we'll be using the virtual pin version of our digital rewards. And the first thing you'll need to do is prepare the digital rewards boards for your students. We have our file here in OneDrive and we will go ahead and open it up. And once the file is opened, you will notice that we've included several different boards. For the pin version, we have backpacks, we have cork boards, some pin cards, and some felt boards. What you'll have to do now is pick which board you want to send to your students. You can also select multiple boards if you want to send them two different options to pick from, like a cork board and a backpack. You can send all of them if you want to. We've had some teachers send them one board and then give them an option for different boards as a reward in itself. Once you pick the board you would like to use, you can go ahead and select it on the side. If you want multiple boards, hold down the Control and left click on the mouse button to pick multiple boards. On the Macintosh, I believe it's the Command and left click. Once you've made a decision on which boards you want to share, you can go ahead and delete all the other boards. In our case, we'll only be sending the blue backpack. So once you have only the boards you will be sharing shown on the left side, you can go ahead and click File and save a copy and give it a name that will be easy for you to remember. Go ahead and click Save. And now you'll be ready to share the board with your students. This is the teacher's view for the class. And the way I like to do the rewards board is by sending it to the students as an assignment. This will allow me to send reward pins and the student will be able to view their assignment. To do this, you go to Assignments and create an assignment. You will need to add a title for the board. Then you can add any instructions you want to provide. Following the instructions, you'll have to come down here and click on Add Resources. And then we'll attach the backpack reward board we just created. Once you've added the resource, you'll go to the ellipse on the side and make sure to change it to students edit their own copy. This will allow them to have their own reward board. I will not assign any points. We're assigning it to the demo class. You can specify any amount of students you want or all your students. On the date due, I will change that to the end of the month. And I am now ready to send this to the student. I will click Assign. From the student's view, they'll go into their class and they'll notice that there's a new posted assignment. They can then open up the assignment. They will see the instructions you provided and the backpack reward board you attached. When they open that file and follow the instructions, they will first change the name and they'll be ready to move over their first pin onto their backpack. They can rotate the pins, they can resize the pins, they can overlap the pins. From the teacher's view, you can click on View Assignment, and here you'll see all your students that you've assigned the reward board to. You can open it up and view any changes they've made. Once you are ready to add more reward pins to their pin card, you can go ahead and click Insert, Pictures, and depending if you've uploaded the folder with the pins to your OneDrive, you will select OneDrive. In my case, I have the file folder on my local computer, so I will click this device, choose Files, and after finding the folder, you can go ahead and select which pin or pins you want to upload. In my case, I would like to do 2 pins, so what I would need to do is click Control on the PC, Command on the Mac, and left click on the pins that I would like. Since I only want these 2, I select them, let go of the keys, hit Open, Insert, and the pins are on the slide. I will move them over to the pin card so that when the student opens up the file, they'll have some fun moving them over and organizing them. I will then come over here to the feedback and type in a quick little comment for them. And once I'm done, I will go ahead and either hit return or close, and the file has been sent over to the student. Once they go in on their end, they'll be able to open up the file, read your feedback, and play around with the pins. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you would like more information on these and other digital rewards, please see the link below in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.